how to fix your phone is not turning on Samsung A08. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on the settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so click on settings app, click on general management and click on reset. Scroll down and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.